step into the Dodge 2017 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include Quick Order Package 21A SXT, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC and rear window defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.